welcome back. Time now for a look around the region. And Jane, we start with a type of healthcare technology.
Yes, we do. 3D printing technology has been used in the healthcare field for years. But at a Barrie clinic, it's going to be one of the first in Canada to start prescribing 3D orthotics. CTV's Krista Sharp explains.
All right, so let me take a look at your feet.
Anastasia is looking for her first pair of orthotics.
You have very high arches. And what happens is you're, instead of standing straight, you're doing like this.
But the process she's going through today is a fairly new one.
This is so unique, and it's going to change the market completely.
Stan Chick of ProMotion Healthcare in Barrie is one of the first podorthists in Canada to offer 3D printed orthotics.
The main takeaway is they're so specific for you. There's nothing else on the market that comes close to this.
9 cameras are used to get imaging of the foot. An additional walking pad gathers specifics such as heel rotation, foot balance, and medial forefoot balance.
It's incredible what we can do with orthotics with this information. So now all the modifications are done to the shell of the orthotic. Instead of here, we would make the orthotic thicker, wider, bulkier, that it's harder to put in your shoes.
The orthotics printed out of house by HP have been very popular.
The break-in period usually for older orthotics is about 2 weeks. This one is about 4 days. You see is where you put a lot of pressure.
It's very impressive with the amount of information from really very quick assessment.
The 3D printed orthotics are typically in the same price range as traditional ones, and according to staff, are quickly gaining the reputation of being more effective as well. Krista Sharp, CTV News, Barrie.